tags and elements. Now we know what are tags. They mark the region of the effect of certain markup. Depending on the effect or function, each markup is termed element by its name. For example, element bold is denoted by tags B and /B. Element italics is denoted by tags I and /I, and so on. So, tags represent elements, or you can say an element is denoted by a single tag or a set of tags. Structure of an HTML document. The example of markup we have seen is just to understand how markup looks like, but every HTML document has a standard structure that is defined by the help of certain elements. These elements are HTML/HTML, head/head, body/body. They are arranged in the following way to define the structure of an HTML document. HTML element marks the beginning and end of an HTML document. Head element marks the beginning and end of the HTML document header. It contains the information that is useful for browser's own use, such as the title of the browser's window, linking external files for formatting, called style sheets, linking executable code files, called scripts. It is also contains within itself the styling information and small scripts. We shall learn more about head element in due course of time. Body element contains the actual web page content that is displayed to the user. All the content formatting and layout elements of HTML are used within body element. Let us apply this standard HTML document structure on our example. Notice that head element contains nothing as of now. All the content of the web page goes inside body element. Entire web page markup goes inside HTML element. Let us try out the above code on the computer. My first web page HTML documents are simple text files with the extension .htm or .html. They can be created using any simple text editor such as Notepad or Notepad++. Notepad++ is a very user-friendly and powerful text editor. It can be downloaded from https://notepad-plus+downloads/v8.3.2. You can type the following code in Notepad++ as shown here. Click on File menu, Save option, and save the file as myfirstwebpage.html. After saving your file, you can double-click on file to view it in the default web browser set on your computer. The output of the HTML code is given here. Note: press F5 to refresh the web page after you make changes in your HTML file and save it. This way you do not need to reopen a modified HTML file. Giving a browser window title. You can use title element to display a relevant title in the title bar of the browser window that displays your HTML document web page. The title text goes inside title elements, start and end tags. Title element itself must go inside head element. Here is the code. See line 3, how title element is kept within head element and how the text is enclosed in title element. In the output, notice how that text appears in the browser tab.